Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Snapchat account. So if your account is giving you some kind of error, says that it couldn't connect to the servers, it gives you whatever kind of login credential errors. There's a lot of different reasons why you might not be able to log into Snapchat, and I walk you through a bunch of the different things that you can go through, and it will help you to get Snapchat working again, and you will be able to log in. So the first thing what you can do is you can open up any browser here. So you just have to open any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome. So the first thing you have to do is search for speed test. So you just have to take a speed test that your internet is going good or not. So of course, if you try to log into Snapchat and you don't have any internet, then it can connect to the Snapchat service. It can allow you to kind of connect to their kind of systems and your profile. So if that works fine and you got through that step, the next thing you want to do is head into your settings, and then you just have to tap on this app management. And now if you go for this app list and you just have to search for Snapchat, tap on it. And now what you have to do is you just have to go for storage and cache and tap on this clear cache and tap on this clear storage also, and you just have to force stop your Snapchat application. So it will kind of replace those core files. If there was a bug in the app itself, it will also update it to the latest version as well. So once we gone through those steps and you have Snapchat on your account again, so if I just go to my Snapchat now and you are trying to log in but it still give you an error, let's head to the Snapchat login and a new account troubleshooting. So if you come for Google from Snapchat troubleshooting, you can see this. These are the reasons. Check your username and password, check your internet connection, and you can see uninstall authorized app, and you can reboot your Android device. The Snapchat account may be locked or these kind of things. So these things won't let you use that Snapchat app with those other apps. Avoid using a VPN. So it says VPN turned on, and that VPN is giving you connection from South Africa. Maybe they just don't like that at that point, so turn that VPN off. Snapchat is working well then. So now if I go to my Snapchat application and then tap on this login, and you can see my Snapchat is login now and it is working very fine. So these are the steps. That's how you can unlock your Snapchat account and fix these problems. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.